A cooperation with the United States government and the laboratory of. Do not release to the public, or you will be punished. Welcome to this great project about the new project. This project is about how to move a human consciousness to another body. We found a few ways to move a human consciousness to another human body. Here are the ways we have found successful to working. 1. Use virtual coding and put the subject's consciousness in the other body. 2. Use a wired line from the brain to the other body. 3. Use surgery to put the brain into the body. They are lying to you. To all of us. Don't trust them. Trust no one. Trust your cell phone. Join us, join us, join us, join us, join us, join us, and hope you read the presentation. Thank you for your cooperation. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye, bye, bye, bye.